All right, so you get one case where they caught PDP and Dino Milai together filed a case challenging the NDLEA, the Nigerian Drug Law Enforcement Agency, to prosecute and arrest Jagaban, the Tinubu of the whole worldwide. They had filed a case to prosecute Jagaban, and the case was heard in court. NDLEA and I go defend the case. They say this case is a useless case. Say let the case get out. Say that case with this. Say this case is backed by bad belle. Say that because of bad belle wey PDP and Dino Milai get against Tinubu, that they bring the case come. Say since they set up the NDLEA, say why una never ever bring case come here? Why not now? One of them won't stop Tinubu from becoming the president. They say that it is good when you report something to the NDLEA, but it should not have underlying bad belle. There should not be plans that are because you want to pay for one other thing. Now you report the case. Let me read the news for you the way it be for Punch newspaper. The topic: PDP's alleged drug case against Tinubu lacks merit. NDLEA. The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency had filed a preliminary objection to a suit instituted by the People's Democratic Party and the shifting of the party Dino Milai against the President-elect Bola Tinubu. The applicants are seeking for an order of mandamus to compel the Anti-Narcotics Agency to arrest and prosecute Tinubu over the alleged forfeiture of some funds in the bank account in the United States over 2 decades ago. So, the case that PDP and Dino Milai is filing is to seek an order of mandamus to compel NDLEA to arrest and prosecute Tinubu over the money where they claim say Tinubu forfeit for the drug case when he get from America over 2 decades ago. And in its notice of preliminary objections signed and filed by the Federal High Court in Abuja on Wednesday, the Director of NDLEA, Director of Prosecution and Legal Services, Joseph Sunday, of the agency, submitted that the application by the PDP and Milai as first and second applicants was incompetent, adding that the court lacked the jurisdiction to entertain it. As such, the case should be struck out. So it is funny that NDLEA is not even saying we arrest somebody, we not find anything guilty. NDLEA is saying the court should not even let them ask them to go and arrest anybody in the first case, that the case does not have merit. So now NDLEA would defend the defendants now. Okay, let's continue. It said its list is grounds for the objection. The NDLEA argued that neither PDP nor Dino Milai has the legal right to institute the suit. It said the only underlying specific interest of the first applicant then becomes political in nature, adding that the investigation and prosecution of Tinubu was targeted at removing him as a bona fide candidate of the presidential election. What did it concern you? Wetin concern NDLEA? If it is targeted as removing him, so is that your job? They say maybe you go check whether somebody really do drug. Do they say that because they won't come out the person for presidency? That make them file this thing. If you read down to this case, you will find out where NDLEA. Let me find that place and read it to you. Let me find it. Okay, it's stated further. Let me start from here. In an affidavit in support of the agency's preliminary objection, a litigation officer attached to his Directorate of Prosecution and Legal Services, Shia Depum, said that as an independent agency that the NDLEA is of government, saddled with responsibility to investigate, arrest and prosecute persons involved in drug trafficking and other related offenses in Nigeria. The NDLEA has a healthy relationship with the government of the United States of America. It stated further that the name of Tinubu, by whatever acronyms or combination of names, had never featured in the exchanges it had had with the US. So they are trying to tell you that in all our dealings as NDLEA in Nigeria with the dealings of the American government, we never see any name wey resemble Tinubu name before for any problem. That's what the NDLEA is saying, that by acronyms or direct name, that they have not seen any name that look like Tinubu's name before. And it said, it further claimed that the name of Tinubu had also not been featured in the radar and database of the agency as a person ever arrested before, investigated or prosecuted in connection with drug or other related offenses. The agency noted that it relied on intelligence and information from foreign and domestic partners as well as public specified individuals. PDP and Milai had never, since the establishment of the agency in 1990, made any complaints on Tinubu relating to illicit and activities on drug matters up until now. So they are trying to tell you that since the start of this agency since 1990, Dino Milaya and PDP owner never ever gets up one the court tell us say somebody commit crime up until now. So this your issue is political, and that since they deal with the American government have never told them that there's anywhere that Tinubu has been arrested before. I think the NDLEA is trying so hard not to prosecute the candidates in this matter. I'm not telling you that somebody is guilty or not. I'm just telling you that it doesn't make sense to my own ear, because if I tell you, say, Mr. Akin, for our area, they suspect saying they carry drugs, so I expect the NDLEA to swing into action and check if my accusation is true or not. Not for the NDLEA to come and tell me saying that because the person quarreled with my wife, now me be the first one. That does not concern you. The reason that the first one, well, I'm not a legal practitioner. Legal practitioners know whether NDLEA is correct or not, but to me, it not make sense.